Eric, we're Radiator Grille Store here doing a short little tutorial on these 718 Caymans and Boxsters. These side intakes are a little bit more stiff than the 981 Caymans and Boxsters. When we're going to install a side intake grill, there's a special process and a little bit of elbow grease that you need to put into these. So first we're going to start off by putting on a layer or two of painter's tape right along this edge here. We're going to get it real nice and tight up to that black, so we're not going to be touching any paint. It's like so. And there's going to be 3 clips. There's going to be one here, there's one here, and there's one at the bottom. And we're going to be taking a flat bladed spatula, and we're going to be sticking in and unclipping that one, and then unclipping this one. And then we're going to be pulling this off. So we're going to go right into here. We can pull away from the body, create a little separation here. And we'll get our spatula in there, like so. And you'll hear that click. So that one's released, and we want to kind of keep pressure on that so it doesn't reconnect. Then we're going to go down to that middle one. You can hear that one clicked. We're going to keep pressure on that. We're going to come down to the bottom. And that one actually came off pretty easily, but a lot of times you will clip in. Here, I'll just push it back in here. You'll unclip these. There's that one. Give it a little pull. One in the middle here. And then you'll have to do another big pull to get this off. So once you unclip, here are the clips, so you can see where they're at on the vehicle. You'll see that there's one here at the top. There's one here in the middle here. So just above the horizontal here, just above the horizontal here, and then one just below the horizontal here. So that's where you're going to be aiming for with that spatula. There, there, and there. To get these to unclip. Once these are unclipped, you have another clip at the top here and at the bottom here that you'll need to just pop this off with some elbow grease. Now, here's the grill itself. A couple different ways to do this. You can take this and then insert a cable tie around here, and that holds it in place while you're trying to fit it in here. So that's one way. Or you can do it kind of quickly, and you'll get it in there, and then you'll just pop it all around, remove your tape, and the install is complete. Make sure it stays in there. There you go. Find these products and more at radiatorgrillestore.com.